Mass merging Salesforce duplicate records in Excel with Excel Connector 365. Merging records in Salesforce helps maintain data accuracy, improves reporting, and enhances customer experience by removing duplicates. Mass merging accounts, contacts, and leads in Excel Connector 365 works the same way as if you were to merge 2 or 3 records in Salesforce, except that Excel Connector 365 lets you merge 4 or more records in one shot. The merge operation will do the following with the records. 1. Delete all records identified as victim. 2. Move all child records from the deleted victim records to the winning master records. 3. If there are field mappings present during the operation, values from the mapped columns will overwrite values in the corresponding fields of the master records. If more than one victim records are being merged to one master record, the last row with a value in the corresponding mapped column. Here's an example where the first contact will be the master or winning contact, and the rest will be merged into it. We'll need to manually add a master ID column to the data to be able to specify master IDs for the merging contacts. We did it by copying the ID of the first contact and pasting it to the master ID column in all the contacts that are being merged. To start the merge operation, select the rows that you want to process and click on Admin Tools, Merge Records in the Excel Connector 365 sidebar menu. In the subsequent dialog box, select the object type that we are merging, contact in this case, the master IDs column, and the victim IDs column. If you don't have any field values that you'd like to override on the master record, don't click the Mappings button. At this point, you can click on the Run and Save button to execute the merge. In our example, though, we want to overwrite the phone field on the master record with a phone number of one of the victim contacts. Therefore, we'll need to click on the Mappings button and map that column to the phone field on the contact object. With these mappings, the last row that has a value in the phone column will win and override the phone value in the master record. After the mappings have been confirmed, click on Run and Save to run the operation for the selected rows. The merge operation will be performed for each row, and the results will get populated on the right from your data, one column over. All the merge settings and mappings are also saved as a reusable flow step in the same sheet. This way, you can run the same operation from the same sheet repeatedly from the Flows tab of Excel Connector 365. Watch all Excel Connector 365 tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.